think that's when it's helped the most. But then again, I think all of these do's and don'ts. So what are some of the things that people really need to stay away from, especially in this month, regarding the fact that we were talking about this yesterday? Unfortunately, we've got another favorite subject over here, is that all of us are doctors.
Yes.
So, you know, in Pakistan, you know, you're a born doctor.
Self-medication.
So if anything is working on her skin, I'm going to use the same without knowing what it's going to do to me.
Yeah, no, that's totally a fact over here, because especially skin is very individualized. You know, every person has their own issues, their own skin type, and you know, different like treatments or skincare for every individual. You cannot just generalize this thing. But I'll try my best to generalize it a little bit. During Ramzan, what was the question? During Ramzan?
I mean, some of the don'ts.
What things to avoid?
Yeah.
So obviously, lack of hydration is the top priority. You should avoid not having water during this times. During the eating break, you have to take as much water and like fluids as you can. Other than that, I would suggest not to go for very like fatty, oily foods, processed foods, and like very high sugary foods like sodas and caffeines and all this stuff. Stay away from these and go towards organic vegetables rich in antioxidants, fruits high in water content, and like vitamins or antioxidants in that as well, and probiotics. Probiotics is very important for skin. So especially during Ramzan, then you can't have a proper diet during the day. At Sahri time, if you have like a probiotic yogurt, everybody, it's going to be very good for your gut health, because if your gut health is good, your skin looks good too. These two are like directly connected. So just maintain your gut health, take this organic stuff, and just stay away from the
Absolutely. So so given
and before the geniuses wake up, they think that pakoras are also vegetables. She means actual vegetables.
I mean, it does have vegetables in
see,
it. Come on.
I knew this was coming. I saw this coming almost yesterday.
God.
But like I said, for God's sake, it's
but
right.
Emma, there is one thing that I have to ask Dr. Saiba personally. Eid is coming up. I want to have really good glowy skin before Eid. I do think we should be moving towards home care treatments like yogurt, turmeric, and honey, or are these things not really good for the skin?
Definitely. Not to apply it on your skin.
Okay, that's what I actually meant.
Take it orally. They're really good. That's what I was emphasizing on. Diet and hydration.
But what about those face masks that are trending on social media? Mix honey, mix this, mix that, and then apply it on your face.
Probably.
Yeah, basically that.
That is your 50% of your job. That is skincare that you're doing. The other 50% comes from the internal hydration and health from your inside. So I value the internal hydration and health more. If once you maintain that internal health, then you can go towards skincare and you can like maintain it with that skincare. But you cannot attain a fresh skin without paying attention to your gut and lifestyle habits and diet and daily routine habits, without like considering that and just applying a lot of skincare, expensive. That's not going to work.
Okay.
It's a holistic approach. It's not just one facet. It's multiple things you have to take into consideration for skin.
Okay.
You should also ask the fact that you're not getting enough sleep this month as
I'm
well.
not.
So how are you going to
I am not.
work on those dark circles?
Yeah. Do you have
Sleep
any advice?
is very important. Yes.
Do you have any advice for dark circles or pigmentation or just overall being tired?
Just come visit me at my clinic.
Definitely. I like that. I like that, and I think that is something that I will be doing, and will be going to see you at your clinic. And honestly speaking,
one man's loss is another man's.
Exactly.
But
Emma, that's the thing. We need to take care of ourselves, not just in Ramzan, but during the other months as well. Internally, externally, just make ourselves better and wiser and smarter, and just better Muslims in general.